I just landed in Athens, the Greek capital, and I'm right now at the airport trying to navigate my way. But my problem right now is I need to pee. Everything I'm seeing is gate. I can't seem to find where the toilet is, and that's getting me like, where's the toilet? I want to pee. I'm pressed, man, so I can go see this beautiful city. I'm waiting. It's been a long time coming. This is me like just getting out of the flight. Literally not seen anything yet. So I'm looking forward to going to see how the airport looks, how the arrival is gonna be like. I'm intrigued. I'm quite excited for it, and yeah, I'm sure you're gonna like it too. Let's go. A big welcome sign. First of all, I need to get a toilet. Welcome to the largest 5G network in Greece, Cosmotel. Oh, good one. Man. Oh yeah, I found a toilet, thank God. So a sign showing me where the toilet is. It's pretty straightforward. Tip number 1, always pee before you get on a flight. Pee before you go on a flight. It's never enough, even if you don't feel pressed. Just do it. Now, my worries now is how do I get out of the airport? I don't really see signs that tells you where. I only see signs for taxis, so I'm not so sure if they're like buses or they're trams or something. Yeah, but I mean, you're gonna be here for it. Let's navigate our way out of the airport and let's see how that goes. There's some EU countries. All right. Doesn't matter, does it? Okay, this is quite good. When you come in, there are trains and there are metros, I assume. Right in the airport there, it's just reading, you can't miss it. So, which I feel like that's really quite developed, if you ask me. So right now I'm gonna find, I don't know how I can get a ticket. Oh man, okay. I might just ask one of these guys around here, then I can see how I can manage to get a ticket then. Okay, I think that's pretty cheesy. So you don't have to waste a lot of money with taxis and all of that, which I feel like sometimes are just extortions, if you ask me. But, okay, arrivals, it's a train and metros. Right, this is good. This is good. So as you can see, pretty straightforward. I think I'm out of the airport now. Yeah, I'm outside the airport. There are taxi stands there, and this is right outside the airport. So, yeah. Oh, it's so hot and so humid. Damn. Where do I get a ticket? That's my question now. I don't know where I can get a ticket to get the next bus or the next train. I can't see the place to get a train, but I can see buses. Let me ask the bus driver if she's gonna stop. Where am I going to? Yeah, sorry. Hi, good day. I have a question, please. Huh? Okay, I just want to ask a question, please. Huh? Center. I'm going here. It's here, center. Yeah.
All buses for center over there.
Forward?
Number X.
Number X. All right, thank you. Where's Metro? Yeah.
Go
Up here?
up, there, and down.
Okay, thank you very much. All right, thank you. Okay. The bus driver was pretty nice and told me where I can get the metro. So you come out from the airport area in this area here, then you then you cross, I guess. It's according to what he said, you cross the road, then you see an escalator. Immediately you coming out from the airport, there's an escalator going up on this side of the road. You just go target the escalator. That's where you get the metro from. And that's what I'm doing, this one here. Oh, okay, good. You can see the sign there, metro. Good. This one. So technically, you exit the airport, come outside, get the escalator near the taxi stand, then take the escalator up and just follow the signs, basically. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna do. As you can see, there's also the sign over right there for the metro. That's what I'm gonna follow. So I'm gonna go right. Then he said down. So I believe from this point onward, you can just keep following the signs and you can't miss your way, can you? I don't think so. Comment in the comment section below if you've been here before. Am I doing it right or am I making a very, very big mistake? This is just like a quick view of the airport. As you can see over there, you see the mountain, bro. If you cannot tell at this point that I'm really excited about this country, then I don't know what you're thinking. I mean, like, I'm definitely very excited, really, really excited for what this country. That's the historic Greek flag right over there. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna go get the metro. So, like I said, follow the signs once you use the escalator up, and just go right. So if English isn't your local language, know the word train, metro, then I think you can't really like lost your way. So right now I'm headed to where the trains are or the metro, whichever one. I'm gonna use N3. Then I think from there I'm gonna have to change again, but I'm not so sure. I am not so sure, so we'll see. Oh, I really like the airport. It feels like very connected. Feels very, very connected, where everything seems like really straightforward. You can't really miss your way. You know, everything is written in English, in Greek, and in English as well. Oh, watch out, guys. In English and in Greek, which is the local language. And I think if you also want to change currency, you do that before you come to this part of the, you know, where I was coming from the main terminal just now. There was a lot of places where you can change cash. I think you might also see some right around here. I'm not so sure, but I have local currency, so I don't have to worry about that. Little flags to the platforms here. Okay, 1 and 3. I'm going to 3. First of all, I'm gonna have to get tickets. Yes.
Thank you very much. Perfect. Thank you.
Hello. Good day. I'm actually headed here.
Yes.
Okay. Can I get a ticket here?
No. In the machine.
In
or
the machine.
the ticket store, or if you have a credit card, you can tap it in it.
Oh, I can tap in and
Yes.
enter. Oh, perfect.
You take the blue line, you stop to Syntagma. In Syntagma, you take the red line with direction and Nico, and you stop to Sigrufix.
All right. Thank you very much.
Downstairs, blue line.
All right. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
So when you have a credit card, you wouldn't. I don't think there's any need to get tickets because you can just tap in whenever you're entering into the metro station. I think that's way much more easier than getting a ticket. That can kind of like waste your time, especially if you are in a hurry like I am. So the guy just drew something for me in a map and I acted like I knew what he was saying. But according to him, I had to go somewhere here with the blue line and then stop here and I come back here. Something like that, but yeah, I guess we'll find out. Let's go. Where's the line though? Let me check again. Let me check where the line is. It's supposed to be somewhere here. 1, 2, 3. Platform 1 to 3 to platforms. To parking. Ticket counters. Which platform should I use? Let me use where the guys are going through. Okay. Sorry, quick one. Where do I get the tram from? This one? the side or the
The
side?
blue line
This side.
downstairs,
Here.
you go from here. It's
Here.
better.
All right, thank you. Very helpful guy, great guy, easy peasy. So I just tap in. I have a credit card on my phone. Oh, that's easy. Okay, I am not so sure. I'm not so sure who paid for that. If it was me or the lady in front of me. But regardless, I guess I'm just gonna go. Quick question, yeah? Is that not gonna be a problem later? I don't know if you
you have a
paid.
ticket?
I just, he said, he told me I had to tap in. So I don't know.
They do tap.
Huh?
I don't think it's like a tap on your phone. It's like a card.
Okay. But the guy at the information center,
Do you have a ticket?
no, I don't. He just told me that I could tap in with my
Can you?
card, with my credit
no.
card.
I
Okay.
think you have to get a ticket. I don't know though.
Okay.
I've only done this like 2 or 3 times.
Okay. 'Cause I'm not so sure if it's gonna be a problem, you know?
Well, you have to tap off at the end. Like
At the end, when I
you
get out.
off.
Oh, okay, okay, then that's good then.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to tap out when I get out, yeah? Okay, then
Yeah,
this
yeah.
works. All right, thank you very much.
I'm not sure.
All right.
Where are you from? Really?
And yourself?
Australia.
Australia. But that's far.
I go back tomorrow.
Australia is really far, right?
You can't do like week trips.
Yeah. I think that's like the advantage of living in Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to Australia?
No, but my problem is it's too far away.
It's too
That's the
far.
problem.
I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
It's really to Barcelona with 24 hours. So shit.
That's so
And I
much.
had a 5-hour layover in Seoul, like in South Korea.
5 hours.
But it's not too bad, but like
That's a lot.
when you've already been on a plane for over 10 hours,
Then it's not
nice.
too bad. Yeah, then it's
Yeah.
worse. Yeah. I don't understand. I just paid for a ticket in Athens, and it's 1 cent. How is that even possible? How do you pay 1 cent for transportation anywhere in the world? I don't think. Maybe that might be a mistake, or maybe that's just something illegal. But I mean, that's crazy. If transportation in this country is that cheap, plus. So if you are coming from the airport, like I said, take the M2 or M3 line, and that's gonna bring you directly to the city center, right near the Acropolis. That's where I stop right now, and I'm still trying to like navigate my way to see how I can, get to the hotel. But my major problem right now is I am very, very hungry. I swear to you, I am extremely hungry. I just want to get something in my stomach, and I don't know where to go to get that done. But I guess we'll figure it out like we've been doing anyway. So I'm loving it so far. I've not seen what the country looks like so far, and I'm really excited to come outside and show you what it looks like. Germany. I heard it's pretty dodgy here, so we're gonna have to be careful so we don't get doped. Someone in my phone trying to hold their bag very well, thinking I'm the dodgy one. Crazy, right? But yeah, we'll move. And stepping off the platform, you see this beauty right here. Welcome to Athens. Okay. This is giving me Turkey vibe. Let me see what it looks like. Alright, seems like they really like music over here, because every corner you turn, you have someone singing or playing music for you. So if you're wondering what it looks like, this is Athens, Greece. And it's looking not like I expected at all. To be very honest, I expected something a little bit more broken down, but I am stunned because it looks really amazing, looks really beautiful. Maybe I'm just in the major city center, that's why, but I guess we're gonna find it out now that we're stepping into the town. we're gonna see what it really looks like. If the beauty truly comes alive, or if it's gonna be a letdown. I mean, we're only gonna find out once we get that done. But I'm excited. I'm really excited to see what the country is looking like. Right, it's really beautiful so far. I don't feel too hungry anymore. Just a few seconds ago, I was feeling very hungry, but I mean, transportation so far for me is top, well connected, and infrastructure, it's really looking good for me so far. Looking really promising. I hope it stays like this. Please don't change. Please don't change. I don't want to say anything that's not so nice about you. Just keep being like this. Beautiful place, right? I love beautiful countries. Stepping down from that metro just now, I had two things in my head. One was, should I go to the Acropolis, or should I go to my hotel? And at the same time, I feel very hungry. I'm excited to announce to you that I made a decision, and that's me going to go to the Acropolis. I'm gonna go to the Acropolis and go see what that actually looks like, and at the same time, trying to see if I can get something to eat along the way, because I'm really, really hungry, to be very honest. Oh, the country is looking so much better than I thought, I'm not gonna lie. This is not what I expected. Don't come for me, yeah? It's not like I was expecting your country to be horrible, but I just did not expect it to look this. Looks really put together. Not what I thought. I'd say this is the first country that I've seen on the internet that doesn't look too promising. And while I'm here, it's just the polar opposite. Because most of the time I go to these countries and you see something really glowing and all of that. And when I get there, it's a total disappointment. But this one, I wasn't expecting a clean street like this. So can you see how Greece? What the fuck? What the hell? Man, this is Greece, man. Wow. Wow. I told you, country number 20 is gonna be superb. Knocking it out of the park for me. Would you believe in a million years that Greece was gonna be looking this way? Would you? I wouldn't. But now I'm here. I can tell you for a fact, look at the ground, look at the streets. Clean to the feet. Whew, wow. This is... All right, I'll see you when I get to the Acropolis. That's the big one. I want to see that thing. Catch you soon.